What's up guys, it's your boy Emia back out here with another video. Today we have another unboxing. I've got the Exway Flex Riot. I've been waiting long enough, so let's just get straight into it. Oh, the packaging is solid so far. Way better than that last review I did when the sword from SAO and it was just sticking outside the box. So here we are with the Exway box itself. It says Exway on there, right dead center. Let's open it up. All right, guys, this is the Exway Flex Riot. Let's get into it. We're revealed to a gorgeous board. The tool for the board. Have the controller right here. Control the acceleration, also gives you some more data, and the battery charger. Sitting on top of the board is this gorgeous gold and black letter, I guess, from Exway. Exway Skate Minded. The instruction manual, and also extra tool pieces and a USB-C charger, I believe. All right, now taking it completely off the box, we get to see the full beautiful board. Ooh, I like that orange color on the wheels. At first, I wasn't too sure about it, but it really does match the bamboo board and the black on top for the grips. All right, crash course on the Exway Flex Riot. This one's for everyone who couldn't afford that $5,000 e-bike. At a more reasonable price range, you can catch the Exway Flex Riot for about $800 US. And if you're lucky enough to get it during one of Exway's holiday deals, you can get it for about $550 like I did. So you might be asking yourself, what's the difference between the Exway Flex and the Exway Flex Riot? Well, the Riot version is the one with belt-driven motors. And the regular version has the hub motors. Man, I was kind of skeptical, but I'm really digging the design of this board. Like I already said, the color scheme matches with these orange wheels. And it's also a bamboo board, so you can also see the bamboo wood sticking out, and the finish is very nice. The pattern on the grips are also very, very cool. And they also left the screws out in the open, so if you ever want to add attachments or anything like that, lights or gadgets, I think it's fair game. Not gonna lie, I think my expectations are met fairly with this board so far. Delivery took about a week and a half, which is not that bad considering today's issues that's going on with that type of situations, train strikes and all the other craziness. The unboxing experience was definitely a 10 out of 10 for Exway. Once I got the original box into the Exway box, it was nice and neat. Everything was packed perfectly. The battery, the charger, controller, and tool were all perfectly neat. The cart was nice, and overall, you get what you pay for, I guess. This board definitely seems like a solid, premium, budget-in electric skateboard. If you guys like the video and want to see more, be sure to follow me, and also like the video. Click this video for a real-world test of my first time riding the Exway Flex Riot. Click this video if you want to see the gear that I'm going to be wearing when riding this board. Till next time, see you guys. Peace.